Hi, this is just showing off my red Cashbox 4-string cigar box type guitar. It's got a Blackwood Tech fretboard, pearlescent inlays, closed tuners. The keys are there obviously for the Cashbox. The resonator cone in this is a continental style one, not a normal cigar box guitar type one. This one gives it a more of a ringy tone. It's got a lipstick pickup. There's no volume control or anything on it, just hardwired to the jack. It's got a nice banjo-y sound to it. That's acoustic. I'll plug it in so you can listen to what it sounds like. Some electric. Bear with me a second. Let's just give it some volume. Right. There you go.